Few months after the Central Bank of Nigeria announced the cash policy redesign, what used to be part and parcel of social and economic life among Nigerians, the Naira notes became a scarce commodity in a twinkle of an eye, with many besieging banks and ATM points to obtain cash. While many, especially the unbanked, were grappling with the reality that dawned on them as a result of the policy, other Nigerians were forced to resort to alternative banking means, which to a certain extent also failed to deliver the desired result. While some Nigerians have applauded the CBN's decision to move the economy in a cashless direction, they wonder why adequate infrastructure was not put in place first to make that transition seamless.
Sometimes might do transaction, the customer will be debited and no credit on the POS, and some customer will demand for their money, and we have to just call the customer care.
They are ripping people off, and most of them don't even want it to stop. They want Nigeria to just be like this, so that cash can be scarce. People would always come around, you understand, to still keep buying money.
Dr. Yele Okeremi, a financial expert with over 25 years' experience in the global economic system, explains the workings behind the technology that powers online banking platforms.
This is that there is something called a switch, which is basically a software contraption sitting somewhere that connects several banks together, which is like, so the switch sits like a hub, so to speak. At various bank ends as well, they also have their own infrastructure for both the outward and the inward messages or transactions happening across the switch. And then when those transactions are also either going outwards or coming inwards as well, the banks also have some work to do in the back end at their core banking application level.
His explanation seems quite straightforward, but what could have been responsible for the failed electronic transactions recorded during this period?
We can't say that this is exactly what the problem is, that once I can't do a transfer, it's a problem from my bank, or it's a problem from the recipient bank. No, there are three different entities involved here, but it's always very rare for the NIP system to go down, because they are the one powering all transaction in Nigeria as we have it today.
Experts say a solution is on the horizon, but are the players willing to make the necessary investment?
Overcapacitization has costs. So if the banks attempted to overcapacitize in previous times, then the entire electronic banking system may not be profitable or sensible to them. So they needed to maintain the balance. I think what happened was that so much happened within such a short time that it caught everyone kind of napping.
It is hoped that with the circular from the CBN last week saying that enough cash has been evacuated to deposit money banks, which have also been mandated to work on Saturdays and Sundays, it remains to be seen whether the pressure on digital channels to carry out daily financial transactions will be without hitches. Victor Matthias, Channels Television News.